What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. You guys, wow, this year has really been moving so super fast, super fast. Y'all say hello to the new plant. This is so cute to me. You guys, Home Depot has these 2 for $20 different varieties. If you like the, we'll call them the ball plants, bubble plants, or something like that. Okay, you guys, this year is almost over. You guys, an election day is coming up. Who's excited? I am so excited for it to be over. I can say that. Let's get it done, see what's going to happen, and move forward. Okay, you guys, today we will be stuffing Jaden's binder. But first, you guys, we got a little change. Did y'all enjoy the beach video? I hope so. I tried to do a little something different. We was all over the place. But I have a video that came out yesterday as well. I had to delete the first live that I did, and I think it messed with the algorithm a little bit. So if you guys can go check out that $90 cash stuffing video for me, that'd be good, because it's moving like a turtle walk, you guys. So hopefully y'all can check that out, because I know a lot of you guys had messaged me and said that y'all had never even seen it. So hopefully my videos can get back in the algorithm after I had to delete one. I think that's what's up. That's what I'm thinking, you guys. So let's count this money. Today is November the 3rd, y'all. Wow. Month almost over. It's almost over, you guys. We have less than 30 days left. Okay, let's see. We'll be stuffing 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. We'll be stuffing $36 today. Lord, thank you for this money. Thank you so much. Put it out a little bit so we don't have to, do too much. So this is Jaden's binder. And first thing we are going to do is do his savings. Let's see. He already has $5 in here. And we just putting it back, and probably I'll put a little more with it. So he already has 5, so 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's go ahead and put 5, 10, 15, 20 in here. I mean 15, yeah, 20 in here. And that's going to take it back to what it was. I hope all of you guys had a great day. And he had wanted a hoodie, y'all. So he got the hoodie. I had ordered that. He has about 12 or 13 hoodies. I'm like, what the heck? And also, he has $1 in savings. And we're going to go ahead and add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he has $5 in his savings. That's accessible. Yes, y'all, that water just did something to me. Woo, I just love the beach. But I'm back on my detox, my gut health journey. I never stop. I just started eating too much candy, y'all. It's like you can't even eat one piece. You cannot eat one piece, because then y'all already know it's like down, it's all bad from there. So it's all bad from there. So, oh goodness, I feel like throwing that whole bag out my house, y'all. I'm so for real. Like, I feel like throwing it all away. Like, no, because I can't control myself. I don't think nobody in this house can control themselves at all. So education is going to get 2, 1, 2. I don't think nobody can control themselves. It's not just me. It's tough out here. It's tough out here, honey. I think the whole house be stressed eating. That's crazy. Shopping has $5 in here. So now we're going to add 2, 1, 2. Now it has 7. So y'all, I will be, as soon as I can get a chance, I'm gonna be, well, no, when I get my check. It's some stuff I have to do, but when I get my check, I'll know. So I'm gonna do me a budget. But that check gone. I might have a little bit left, but these bills, we gotta make sure we stay up on top of the bills. So, let's see. Entertainment doesn't have anything in it. Jayden broke his PlayStation. Like, when you gonna get it fixed? I don't know. You just, you know, boy want a hoodie, but he want his PlayStation. You pick one. Pick one, little boy. Because you can't get both at the same time. Not right now. But y'all, I never even heard of a sand flea. That is some crazy work. I never heard of a sand flea. And those boys was out there catching sand fleas for like bait. I'm like, wow. What is a sand flea? That's something else. I want to see what it look like. I'm just thinking about it. I'm gonna Google it. Gifts are going to get 1, 2. And it looks like, you guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. But this Jayden money. And look, why it had to be 4 when I just need 4 for that box. That is crazy. But we not gonna do that. We are gonna just keep going with Jayden's binder. And let's see. We'll start with, I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna pick one. First one is gonna be savings. We just gonna put another $1 in there. And then it's gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm gonna close my eyes, y'all. And I'm gonna just pick a binder. Pick an envelope. To see what get that other $1. Okay. Entertainment. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all, let's shuffle it up. Okay, what is it? Gifts. I knew it was gifts because it was the last one in the bag. So this has 7. Now it's going to have 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's switch it up a little bit. Okay, I don't know. Okay. All right, entertainment again, Lord. Oh, last $1 too. Now entertainment has 4. That was kind of fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to play games more over here. Y'all, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for your girl. Yes, so we did a little change today. We did some coin. Well, no, coin did change. So we did that today. Oh, and Lorenzo had gave me some, I got to pay him back too, $4. We might as well put this. He had gave me some of his tips. He's going to be starting to save again. He gave me 4. I kept the $2 bill, so I got to get him $4. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has $8. And we are going to put, let me see. Okay. We're going to separate this. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3 in his savings. His personal care, we're going to put 2. 1, 2. So personal care already has a little money. So now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And his birthday, get the other 3. 1, 2, 3. His birthday, I think, is coming up next before everyone. Oops. All right. Okay, that's nice. He's getting back on the wagon with his cash stuffing. So you guys, thank you so much. And I hope this week moving forward is everything you deserve it to be and everything you want it to be. You guys, see you on the next video. Bye.